Hi everyone, my name is Aditi and I welcome you to the YouTube channel of Fashinza. Here we give you all kinds of useful info and tips for your apparel brand that will help you solve problems and help you succeed in your business. So please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. By the end of this video, you will learn how you can check whether the supplier you have chosen for your brand ensures sustainability and eco-consciousness in their processes. Now, if your objective is to have a measurable impact on the environment, you should dig beyond an assertion by a supplier that its facilities or practices are sustainable. You can ask suppliers for specific sustainability objectives and metrics and look for evidence that these policies are put into practice. If possible, it's always a great idea to visit the supplier's facility and observe sustainability practices firsthand. This is especially critical if you intend to take credit for doing business with the supplier on the grounds that it's more ecologically aware than its competitors. Not validating supplier claims of sustainability increases the risk that your company becomes a victim of greenwashing. Greenwashing is enough of a concern that many suppliers decide to pursue cross-industry certifications. These elevate the visibility and accountability of sustainability efforts and provide further certainty to procurement that the companies in their supplier network are in fact eco-friendly. Examples include EIA assessments, Energy Star ratings, and standards such as those formulated by ISO. While it's beneficial to require sustainability-based certifications and documentation, you bear the responsibility for asking that these records and reports are kept up to date. Your suppliers may be working with other companies that expand their actual sustainable supplier spend. The typical consumer company supply chain creates far greater social and environmental costs than its own operations, accounting for more than 80% of greenhouse gas emissions and more than 90% of the impact on air, land, water, biodiversity, and geological resources. The further into a supply chain your company is willing to look, the more of an impact you can have, and the greater your recorded results will be. If you follow these practices, you can assess whether your supplier passes a sustainability test. If you follow these practices, you can assess whether your supplier passes a sustainability test. If you're looking for a new supplier, you can use practices whether they are consistent with the sustainability targets you have set for yourself. So, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. To watch more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.